Hey guys, my name is Avery Vincent, and today I'm going to be showing you my collage, just a little bit about me. I'm 16 years old, I'm in the 11th grade, I'm taking dual credit this year. My favorite color is rose gold, and I think that you can tell a lot about a person about the type of friend that they are. Some are the funny friend or the dramatic friend or the boy crazy friend. I am the therapist friend, if that tells you anything about me. My passion is musical theater, and this pretty much takes up a lot of my life. So I'm just gonna kind of describe the pictures that are being shown right now. The top left is me when I was in Frozen. I played Queen Aduna, which is Anna and Elsa's mom. On the top right, I played Mother in Tuck Everlasting, which was Winnie, who is the main little girl, her mom. On the bottom right, that is me and one of my best friends, Maggie, going to see a Broadway show. That was so cool. I'd never seen a Broadway show before. And then the other picture on the bottom is actually me in makeup class in theater. We did a black eye that day, and I actually tricked everyone on my Instagram, and they all believed me that I really had a black eye, but it was just makeup. So that's pretty cool. These are a lot of my closest friends. This slide definitely has one of the most amount of pictures because I had a very hard time choosing. Um, so these are just kind of my really close friends. A lot of them are from theater. Some of them I just happened to meet. Um, and the bottom left one is me and my best friends. We are on a boba date because we do that all the time. And the same friends are pictured in the top middle because we hang out all the time. That's actually the most recent picture. And then the top left, that's my theater leadership program. I'm the vice president of it, and that was when we first started it a year ago. The top right is after rehearsals, me and some of my theater friends went over to one of their houses and we had a pumpkin carving party. That was super fun. And then the bottom right is us during Tech Week of one of our shows. I was not in costume at that point. And then the bottom middle is me and some of my friends having a picnic. That was super fun. This is my family. In the middle, we have a whole family portrait. The girl on the very left is actually not in my family. That's my best friend, Maggie. Um, but she's basically a part of the family, so I just included her in the family photo. Um, so my oldest brother is on the top left with me, and he and I have been besties since day one. Love him so much. The bottom left is my little brother Hudson. He is a lot younger than us, but he's still super cool to have around. We love him. And then my dad is on the top right. He and I have very similar personalities, which can be really good or really bad because we could clash and butt heads on a lot of things since we're so similar. And then the bottom right is my mom. Gotta love her. Next, we have my hobbies. So, musical theater pretty much takes up a lot of my life, but other than that, I also play guitar and I play ukulele. And so, whenever I'm not busy, you can find me in my room doing that all the time. I'm always trying to learn new songs. I especially love to play Taylor Swift songs. And then on the right, the very right, that's me with my string collection. I know that sounds really weird, but I make bracelets and those can take a lot of hours to make. So I like to do that when I just need to pass the time, especially in summer when I have more free time. But I really like making those whenever I get the chance to. Um, on this side, I just wanted to kind of let you get a more accurate look on the things that I really love and what I hate. So, what I hate most in the world is people that lie. So, that's why I have a picture of Pinocchio. Just people that lie to for personal gain or for any reason, really. I just would rather have the truth than try to cover it up. And then the bottom picture is a sad face that says afraid because I really hate it when people are afraid to be themselves because a lot of times the cookie cutter personality that we think we need to have is actually a watered down version of ourselves, and just being ourselves is way better. Um, then on the left side, I have simple things that bring me joy. So the top picture that I have is just a little text conversation. And because one of my absolute favorite things is when my friends will text me out of the blue just to check on me and see how I'm doing. It really makes my day every single time when I know that someone's thinking about me. And then kindness. Obviously, everyone needs a little bit of kindness, and we can forget that a lot. And whenever I see someone else being kind to another person, it just makes my day, honestly. And I love to see it. And then the last one on the bottom is a girl having her hair played with because that is something that I love so much. Like, my love language is definitely physical touch, and with my friends, I'm constantly hugging them or holding their hand or playing with their hair. And when someone plays with my hair, it's like the simplest form of love to me, and I love it so, so much. So, that is all that I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed that.